Alright, welcome back guys, welcome to another live stream New York session, and let's see what we've got for today. Alright, so let's see what we got right here. So this one was the analyze for yesterday. So as you can see right now, we just hit this target right here on gold, 1786.27. Alright, so right now I'm looking for a continuation on this area right here, as I see. Okay, this is a very good area right here of support resistance, but right now I want to see a break and probably, I don't know, a retest of a week below this area right here, and probably continuation to this down right there. Okay, so yeah, let's do a line all over this, all over the way, and as you can see, the best entry that you're gonna have was right here. Okay, right here, and the stop above this wick, and probably to continue right there. It was an almost 1 to 0 ratio trade. Okay, my 5 minutes looks so bearish. Let's take a look if I can get an entry right now. We have a lot of volume, to be honest. We do have a lot of volume. Okay, right, so we have a lot of volume right now because it's the stock exchange open right here. Let's take a look at the news here. Okay, okay, so yeah, it's just the open of the New York Stock Exchange, but right now we can see that all the moves was around like 15 o'clock or something like this. Okay, so for me, the market is bearish. Okay, we do have this resistance right here, but with the volume, probably we can move down. We also have, let's put this right here. We also have this move down, which was like an impulse. Was like, this is the momentum, okay. And right now I think we can move even more down. Okay, daily is bearish, so the daily gives me the primary information for the trend and for what I want to take right now. So we are bearish. We're in a bearish situation right here. Weekly, it's a weak bullish candle. Okay, 4 hour is a very good. It's a very good bearish candle right here. Okay, we just tapped around, touch this area, and just go back up for a bit. Okay, and a good target, I think a good target will be down there, or for a long term will be down there. Okay, so it's my my vision for this trade. But the top, if we are gonna exit right now, right here, it's like 10 pips away. or the best target right here would be around like 60 pips, which is not that good. Okay, I'm going to take a look. I'm going to take a look at the GJ right now. Okay, let's take a look at GJ because it's the London close. Okay, so we just got the target right here from yesterday. Yeah, we start to move bearish a lot. I have like this analyzed right here. Yeah, it was so perfect on 4 hour. After the break, it just continued going down with like 100 pips move at that point. Okay, we just touched the first target and then back up a bit. Okay, 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bearish. Okay, 1 hour just like kind of I don't know. It's like this actually this one can be a very good trade. Let's read this on GJ. So I'm going to have around okay 46 pips. I'm going to let it for the long run. Okay, at that point. All right, so I just entered in a sell right here on GJ, and I want to let it run through this point right here. Okay, which in my opinion is the best way that we can move. We can move down. Um, Usually we are not too down, but we start to make these lower low and lower high. This one was the last low and the start of the downtrend. Okay, and now we make this lower low, this lower high with a good confirmation on 1 hour time frame, which is a very good time frame to enter. It's like a strong one. Now I expect a push down and then probably something like this all the way to my target right here. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so I have the top above there. We also have the bearish on every time frame right now. Um, all right, so okay, so yeah, this is my idea on GJ at that point right here. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look on the TPM stop loss. So my stop would be I don't know around here. It'll be okay. It's kind of good. Let's take a look on 30 minutes. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good stop. Yeah, it's around there. And the entry point is right below here. Okay, so yeah, this is a 40 pip stop. Okay, like, well, 385, 85 stop. Okay, yeah, gold is gold is bearish. Okay, so yeah, at that point I'm gonna wait. Okay, so there's one thing, or like many things I don't like on gold. Uh, First of all, I don't like these candles right there, which is which is not so good. As like I don't feel comfortable with this volume or like liquidity on the left side, but the targets are clear at that point right here. But I need a candle closure below this level right here. So I don't know, probably it can be on 5 minutes. Mm, Better on 15 or 10 minutes. Candle closure below this level to just continue dropping. It's a good like range of 100 pips, and yeah, seems like pretty good for DJ. Yeah, to scalping it, it's not that hard. The long position that I'm taking, the short position that I'm taking for the long term, it's is in profit for a bit. Okay, let's see how can I scalp GJ right now, because it's the volume of the London close. So let's take a look. On 15 minutes right here, we just break below support. So right now the 15-minute candle just break it down, and now we have to make a top wick right here on 15 minutes. Make a top wick, don't break this high, and then probably we can go for an entry right here with a 20 pips stop and like 15 pips stop loss right there. But for the first thing we need is just a top wick. Okay, we need a top wick, which can be great to happen. All right, so let's see gold. Gold just start to push up. Yeah, I think I missed the entry right here, which can be, yeah, probably I missed the entry right there, but it's not that bad. It's okay. I don't like the ranges here. Yeah, probably that was a very good entry right there for the buys, because we just touched that zone right here and just flew. But you know, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. I don't really like the range right there. Okay, nice move here. This is like 17. Okay, it's like a not a big move. There's like 18 pips. Like 18 pips. The stop will be around 20, so it's not a big move in this range. This is why I don't like it, because it's not that much volume here or liquidity to push the price. It's just this is just like a range right here, and on the higher time frame we can see that we touch this line and we are bearish on our time frame, so this is just a rejection. So I'm waiting at that point. Okay, so yeah, this is the beginning of the week. So like probably the market is not that cool because well, Friday we have NFP and a lot of news around 2 p.m. o'clock, and also this on 4 November, and also for 5 November, which is Friday. So the thing is that we have NFP, we have a lot of news around 16 o'clock. Um, this is Friday. Okay, we have the 4th of November where we have a lot of OPEC meetings. We have such a big news in the market. So you know, yeah, and even tomorrow, we have the Japanese bank holiday, but this doesn't affect that much. We actually have a lot of news. So yeah, GJ just continued dropping at that point right here. It's kind of cool, but we don't have these topics, so it can goes up in every moment. Like I expect the DJ to make the topic right now. Okay, the 4 hour, yeah, my stop is around, yeah, that 4 hour candle right here. This is for the rejection. This is like a little support right there, and yeah, the price can reject it. Actually, I can move the stop even more down to get a lower risk around here. Let me take a look. So we have it 155, 385. Okay, let's go for it. 55, 385. Alright, so yeah, this is top 30 points. 320 points. Yeah, 322. Let's go for so the entry is around 63. Alright, so yeah, this is the trade on GJ. I'm pretty bullish for it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's so cool. The targets for this trade are just like here. It's easily to see. So yeah, right now we make the topic on the lower time frames on GG. So let me modify this. We have around 280. Oh yeah. Alright, so yeah, right now I just move the stop. The TP. Okay. So yeah, this is like a trade for like this is a long term trade. Let's take a look on gold. Yeah, gold I don't really like. Probably I have to like stop watching gold for today because the only thing that I see is that we have much volume on tomorrow or the day after tomorrow because there are news. At that point, we don't have any news or impacting the markets to move the gold as I want to move. To be honest, I just entered in a small position right here when we start to drop here. So with New York Stock Exchange open, I expect that the price will move even more down. So yeah, I enter in a sell right there. Let me check. So I enter in a sell right here with the stops around here, and Okay, let me take the trade. Okay, so I just exit once at the break even right there, and once around here or something like that. That was like a 10 pips stop. Yeah, around 9 or 10 pips loss. It's kind of cool. Like the loss is around 0.7% or 0.8%. Let me check. I don't really know, but it's so low. It's not even 1%. So let me check. 0.8% of this. Yeah, around 0.8%. 0.8% of the account, which is, in my opinion, it's okay. And I also risk that trade on GJ. I risk 1%, so this is a trade. Yeah, I close. I don't want to take any trade on gold today. I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. I'm just waiting for the news. I'm waiting for a good structure. To be honest, like I like the GJ. The GJ structure is like my favorite at that point. So I'm going to hold the trade right here. Um, Probably, I don't know if the stop is too tight. I don't know if I should place it around there, which is 46 pips. Yeah, probably. Yeah, this is like not okay because once it breaks like many highs on the lower time frames and things like this, this is not okay. So this is not okay. Also, I trade on a small account to be honest, and I don't have that much to to cut. So yeah, this can be a problem right here. But overall, the structure on GJ is just cleaner than that one on gold. So they do exactly what I want to do from yesterday. So we watch it at daily. Okay, so I said that I want to see a break below it. It closed below it, and then today just dropped. It was just a push up to make this higher wick. After the break, we have around 30 pips and just 80 pip drop. So yeah, it's kind of cool trade on GJ. Um, yeah, right now that was a correction on 4 hour, which can be easily seen on 1 hour. At that point right here on 1 hour, we just have a big bearish candle, and this is my confirmation. This is my confirmation for the shorts because we just dropped from a level of support right here, which becomes a level of resistance right there. So yeah, it's so cool. We have yeah a lot of pips there to be honest. And in my opinion, we can easily see the downtrend right there. Yeah, I'm going to hold this trade. I'm not going to scalping it or something like this. To be honest, I see many opportunities on higher time frames on GJ than I saw on gold, so I'm just scalping gold and yeah, let's try the intraday thing on GJ. Yeah, gold is just ranging for real. We have clean traffic to the left inside, but it's just ranging. Yeah, many ranges. I'm not going to stop scalping anymore for today. I'm just sitting there and watching the charts, but no more trades. No more trades for today. All right, so here's one thing. Because we don't have any more volume in the market right now, I decided to just exit the position. So yeah, probably tomorrow I'm watching again the things on GJ, um, and much more on gold, because at that point we are just in this go shit range. So we just go up and down. I took a small loss right here, and also break even closure on GJ. And yeah, for today I have around minus 0.8%. So yeah, the profit loss for today, 0.8%, 0.8%. And yeah, for now this is kind of boring, so I don't know, but to stay on the charts with no volume is like, I don't know, it's something stupid, because you know, watching things is always good. Like you can backtest live, but right now I'm just watching nothing happen on nothing because I'm watching GJ, and London has closed around 4:30 p.m. and now it's 5 p.m. and gold is in a range. So I'm watching shit. Like I don't want to take any trades, and right now I know that okay, it's not okay to enter in a ranging market. So the fuck I'm watching right now. Okay, so look at that. Right now we are bearish on gold. Bullshit. Yeah. So until tomorrow, when we have some news, I'm going to clear the charts and let them ride like that. Okay. So this is the thing. The GJ, I'll keep the chart on GJ. So yeah, well, here's the thing. Like I have just one account and I want to keep it for scalping. And in the future, I want to build another account and make it just for swing trades like this one on GJ. But right now, to be honest, I don't feel comfortable to take and to have the trades on it, just because I see something. And also, I think I'm too late in this trade, because even if I'm dead on 1 hour right here, with the base on 1 hour, yeah, the drop start until there. So that one was a good trade in the beginning of the New York session. But the move starts here, and I just sell down there. Nah, not a good deal, to be honest. So I don't know. Also, I don't feel comfortable with the loss, and I know that if I'm not going to taking any trades today, I know that okay, I'm not going to become rich today, okay, from this trade or that trade on gold or things like this. I know that I'm going to become rich over time and over the things start to make in my direction, okay, but this take time. Sorry, so I don't have to overtrade or overthinking, like okay, probably let's lose 1% on that, on this trade is like none, and yeah, I can make that amount of money to cover the last losses from yesterday and today. No, bro, nah, I'm okay. Let's don't do that. And if this thing is moving in my direction until 152 200, I'm okay, because I know next time, okay, probably let's hold this. Probably let's hold this trade. But right now, nah, I'm not comfortable with it, and probably I'm going to finish the stream right now, because there is no volume in the market. I thought today was a very volatile day, but nope, it wasn't. So I'm not going to spend any time on the charts for fuck's sake, like for nothing, and start doing good things for me.